Hello, this is Christopher from Bass Boutique Collection, and we're talking to...
Hi, this is Marc from Salaya Beach Houses in Negros, Oriental, the Philippines, and of course, part of the Best Boutique Collection.
And what we're learning today?
What we're going to talk about today is how to get your camera ready and watertight, or make sure that it's watertight before you go diving. So as the example, what I've got here today is a Nauticam. It's the housing for the G5X Mark II. A wonderful piece of equipment. Of course, what you want to start off with, of course, is open up the housing and make sure that you inspect the O-ring first. So twist it open. I always lay it on its front. There you can see it. Have a good look around all the edges. Make sure you do that in clear light. What a lot of people tend to do is use too much grease, and that only attracts stuff and it sticks to it. So it's a good idea not to over grease them. I don't use grease every time I go diving.
How do I get the O-rings out of that housing properly?
Well, these housings, they come with a beautiful little blue pincer, and you can, without something sharp, but it's just enough to get around the back, and you run it along the edge, and the O-ring peels out very easy. You don't have to take it out all the time. A visual inspection will normally suffice. The next thing that you want to do is, as you can see here, is turn on the water detector. So what that does is I then close it once I've inspected it, like you would with any other camera if there wasn't the detector on it, the vacuum pump. You then close it, and typically what I'll do at this point is just have another look around the edges, and then I would put it in a water tank where you would rinse it after a dive so the water is clear, and have a look for bubbles. Now, on this kind of camera, the beauty of this is I've switched it on, and the vacuum pump will now blink blue. And what that says is it's ready to go for the vacuum. So you unscrew the top part, which is a safety feature, and then you use your pump. You simply connect it to that, and it works like one of the wine vacuum pumps. You pull out the air from the inside until the vacuum pump shows green, and that's when you've created enough vacuum and negative seal to make sure that there's no water coming. Now what we do is you put the top one back on, and that just protects it from accidentally being unscrewed. And as long as that is green, you're good to go. Now if in the unlikely event you were diving and the pressure, the vacuum inside slowly decreases as something's coming in, the vacuum light will indicate yellow and it'll start blinking, and as the pressure drops gradually further, it'll start blinking red, and it's very, very easy to spot as it's a very bright light. What you would do then, swim to the surface, hold your camera lens down. Hopefully the water, if there is any in there, would be at the lowest point. Open it up and take it out. And if you leave this out for a minute or two before you're ready to go, then you're safe. Then you can head off to the boat, go diving. In an emergency, take the pump with you, because if the pressure does drop, you're able to put the vacuum pump, pull it vacuum on the boat before you go. There's a few more things we can discuss about this. That's just about the Nauticam vacuum seal, which is a wonderful piece of equipment to make sure that expensive diving equipment doesn't flood. Thank you very much. Hope to come diving with you soon in the Philippines. We've got some wonderful critters to show you there. See you next time.
Thank you very much.